When it comes to a web or UI design, there are definitely some industry standards and no standards. There are do's and don'ts, and the really challenge is knowing when to do the do's and avoid the don'ts. Confusing, right? Well, let me simplify in this video about UI design. First, let's address readability. Ensure all your text is legible with good contrast. Avoid being overly creative with an all-black or light gray that disturbs readability. You can see the difference between those two examples. Make sure to run your design through a contrast checker and meet at least minimum AA standards for legibility. Next, consider button padding or white space. This is crucial for user experience. You can see two examples of buttons. One is a good experience and the other is not, for two major reasons. First, without proper padding, buttons become less tappable and harder for users to interact with. Second is effects of legibility of the label inside the button. Notice that squeezed button on the left with no padding. It hampers readability. Ensure your buttons are comfortable and spacious. Sufficient padding. If you want to be precise, use a 4-pixel grid for consistency. Now let's discuss creating usable and functional forms. One common mistake is ignoring the best practice of using single-column form. The example on the left shows fields like first name, last name, email, and confirmation email side by side. This approach the best avoided. Instead, keep forms simple with single forms. There are instances where side-by-side elements are contextually relevant, like arena code or phone number. However, avoiding multi-columns for minimize user input space limitation and reduce confusion about where to focus next. A single column form is easier and more seamless. Lastly, ensure the border radiuses about your button match the rest of your interface. The small details can have a big impact. In the example, a pill-style button with a rounded radius doesn't match a nearby card with a different radius. In the example, a pillar-style button with a rounded radius doesn't match a nearby card with a different radius. Why not disastrous? Consistency makes the design look cohesive. Matching border radiuses give a more elegant and mature look to your interface. Final tip: avoid using all uppercase for your call to action. Always use title case. Uppercase might seem to draw attention, but to be harder to read. Title case with the first letter of each word capitalized provides emphasis without sacrificing readability. If your call to action button is well designed with the right color, padding and size, it doesn't need uppercase text to stand out. Use title case for better readability and effectiveness. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the channel for more content. I am Przemysław, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care, until next time.